You don't want to pick on somebody that's a lot larger than you, even with the money.
রাশিয়ার প্রতি ফের সুর নরম ট্রাম্পের। যুদ্ধের জন্য ইউক্রেনকেই দোষারোপ করলেন তিনি। টাকা থাকলেও বড়দের সঙ্গে ঝামেলা করতে নেই, এভাবেই ইউক্রেনকে আক্রমণ ট্রাম্পের।
Russia has a large group of Ukrainian soldiers, as we speak, surrounded and in grave danger. They've been able to surround them. They're in grave danger. Biden should have never let this war happen. First of all, you don't want to pick on somebody that's a lot larger than you, even with the money. There's a lot of money that we gave them and a lot of equipment. We make the best military equipment in the world, but even with all of that, it's unbelievable. Right now, you have a lot of Ukrainian soldiers that are encircled and in grave danger, and I've asked them not to kill those soldiers, please, not to kill those soldiers. We don't want them killed.
ডাউনলোড করুন এই সময় অ্যাপ iOS ও অ্যান্ড্রয়েডের জন্য।